Hello, we are going to create a folder here. The folder name as your wish, but I have to take it as a report and open this folder. Open the folder and then type cmd and then from here to navigate to Visual Studio. So the objective of this code is, or this project is, the program helps collect and calculate the average marks of students and tells whether each student has passed or failed based on their average. Now I navigate here, then I take a new file, then you see that one in left side corner top of the above, then choose the file, new file, and save the file immediately, grade.py. Then I have to enter here number of student equal to input. Input will ask the user enter the value number of students. Then enter. Then if enter number of students 2, that means it will be repeat, right? Then I run this code. What happened here? If I give 2, then nothing will be happen. It will go there and store it in number of student. So I have to take a for loop for I in range 1 comma number of student plus 1. If I give 2, then it will take initially 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then and so on it will become. Now I am trying to print this. So f/n and student and the pass the index value. Now I run this code, python grade.py. So get some error. I maximize the screen and then see what is the error. So actually here the input value taking as a string and convert into the int. So we are asking for integer type, right? We are entering here number 2. So but it is integer. That's why we are going to use the int. And now see where I get stuck and verify it. Run the code again, then see, enter 2, then see student 1 and student 2, it will be displayed. So it will be loop repeated. So here I get some error. I use k, I have to remove. Now what to do? Now I need to ask the user to enter the name. So student name equal to, so input, its input is fine because we need to accept string only. Please enter the student name. Number of students I have to enter here. Then coming to, I have to ask the each student the marks separately. So first I read math grade equal to, it is you enter the number, right? So for that we need to be here use the float. Okay, input, please enter the math marks out of 100. The same way we will ask science grade. Science grade. So here I have to use float, because any marks, if it is in decimal only, right? For that I have to use here float. Science grade, float input, enter the marks, enter the, it's fine, enter the science marks out of 100. That's the correct word. Out of 100. Then coming to English hyphen grade equal to English hyphen grade equal to then I forget double quotation, English grade enter the science, sorry, enter the English marks out of 100. Then average hyphen grade equal to, how we know, right, how we find the average, the number of subjects divided by the number of the number, how many subjects. So math grade plus science grade plus English grade divided by 3 subjects, number of subjects. Then find, now I read first name, I display my expecting output like a name and then percentage and then status, pass or fail. For that I have to use here printf student name to bind the std name here. If I forget f, it won't be bind, that we remember here. Then print now I have to read print, I need to display average grade marks also. I use here /n. We use the /n for the new line purpose. If it is a student name, then give the tab and then display average grade percentage. I have bind this average grade, but I need a percentage like 73.444 is there, but I need only 2 digits after decimal. For that I have to use here average grade colon dot 2f. So why we use 2f? Because of we need 2 decimal only after the number. then it's fine. I We will check the what it will be, get the output from here. What we will get the output, still now we will check. So please enter the number of students. It will be 2. I need to save the file and then come back, and then please enter number of students 2. The first student name I have to give Tulasi, then out of 100 he gets 76 and 98 science and 97 in English. Then see here the student average grade percentage 90.33. So why it not exceeded the decimal value? Because of 2f we are using the above program. And we will check with another name also, same way. And English 78, he also getting the percentage Ravi, and then the percentage 88.33. Now what I need to do here is, if the status, if he getting above 60, then he is a pass. Below 60 percentage he is a fail. That I need to decide here. For that I need to check the condition. So what condition I need to check here? Okay, if average grade greater than 60, greater than or equal to 60, that means above the 60 it will equal to 60 or above the 60, then print /t I have to take. Student examination status, that's fine. If it is a pass, if it is a 60 or 60 above, it's a pass. Else print f, and same thing I have to write the message student examination status. Colon fail. Then we will see here, run the program. I have to take here /t, save the file, run it here, cls, and then python grade.py, and please enter the number of student 2. Then now we will check like output whether getting or not. Tulasi out of 198, English 190. So then the status pass. If he is a fail, then we will check another student Ravi. Out of 100 I will give 23 and 34 and 1. Then this is a pass, so it's a spelling mistake. I will go there and correct it. FAIL, FA capital IL, fail. Now run the code, python grade.py. If you run the code, you will get output. Obviously you don't get output because of, I will tell you. So check the student name, I will give Tulasi, and out of 100 maths he get 90, and then see here we will enter the values, then he get 86.00, then the pass. And then Ravi and out of 178, and science 190, and English 168. Is a pass. Both are pass only, right? So I need to check another condition also. Please enter the number of students one, and then I give Ravi, or else Raju, and math 100, 12, 12, 12, 12. You didn't get this one also pass only, but actually we are changed the value fail, but it is not reflect here because of you need to save the file. Before run the program, you need to save the file, then run. Now you see, verify the code, and give the name, whatever it will be, Navi you have to give, and 12, and then 12, and then 12. Now you get fail exactly, right? So this is the project for the grading. Thank you so much for your valuable time.